Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next targets. What should we do right now? Should we buy? Should we sell? What risk do we hold? All of this stuff. Of course, I will be specific because YouTubers need to be specific with their audience. And before we begin, join the monthly subscription, link in the description and in the comments section down below. You will find it easily and you will get easy profits with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities and the manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get market updates, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, scripts in the trading view, and random giveaways, many more benefits. And of course, you can cancel anytime you like. So try it right now and join our Telegram group chat as well. I have the link in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Okay. So right now, what do we have for Ethereum? I think the next price target is 3,770. You can see the Tether USD right here, the next price target, and of course around 3,800. I want to use the rectangle right here. So we have this whole area as the next resistance level for Ethereum. Okay, and let's assume that we are going to the 3,770 around there, and from there we correct. Then we have some support levels right there, and of course I will draw another fib from this bottom right there down to this top, and you can see we have the 3,675 in case we correct a little bit. Okay, and we have the 3,600 as well. But anyway, let's stick to the plan. Let's proceed quickly into the MACD, and the MACD right here was falling down all the way. You can see it was correcting from this top we had on 3rd October. We had a correction going on for the MACD, lower lows, lower highs, and then the price remained stable. We didn't correct. So this was the thing, this was the key for the success in the Ethereum. Not only that, but Ethereum against Bitcoin as well, which we will see afterwards. Let's go first to the risk metrics. And right now we do not hold a significant risk because of the RSI. If we had the RSI above the 70, way above the 70, I would tell you right now we hold a very high risk. Please sell. But for the time being, we have the commodity channel index. Yes, we have the stochastic RSI. Okay, and we have the Fisher transform, but we should focus on the RSI. Okay. This is the indicator that we need to focus. And I told you that Ethereum is bullish. I believe that Ethereum will go all the way up to 5,000 Tether USD. This is the next target, all the way up there for Ethereum. Okay, you can see it is way higher on the USDT. You can see that we approached the 4,000 Tether USD, and back then we had approached the all-time high, the 4,364, and I do believe we are going to 5k. Sorry, for the time being, let's take it step by step. All right, let's take it step by step. Let's see the daily frame as well. You can see that we are not in the top line of the Bollinger Bands, although we are near. We do not hold any significant risk right there. And if I open the SSL HYBRID, we should be having a buying opportunity by now. There we go, buying opportunity, blue arrow right here for the SSL HYBRID, the indicator that tells us when to buy and when to sell the altcoins. Okay, so you can see on the daily frame as well, Ethereum, higher lows, higher highs. Eventually we are going up. We have room to grow. Only the commodity channel index and a little bit the stochastic RSI is in an overbought right now, but mainly focus on the RSI. Okay, in this particular moment, I would suggest focus on the RSI. Do not look the other indicators, especially the stochastic RSI for the time being. Let's go to Ethereum Bitcoin chart. And you can see here that we have surpassed the 20-day and the 50-day MA. Usually, when we did this back then, you can see on the downfall, when we surpassed the 20-day and the 50-day MA, we were having a sell pressure. We should be selling. Okay, here you can see multiple times that we went above the 50-day MA and we had a correction afterwards. Let's see if this is the case right here. which I do not think this is the case. Maybe we have approached the bottom around there and we start making the higher lows, higher highs for Ethereum Bitcoin chart. And of course, we have the next resistance level, which is around the 0.06743. Okay, around there is the next price target for Ethereum against Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see that we have 20-day MA, 50-day MA as our resistance levels, and you can see Ethereum Bitcoin chart right there. We had the oversold situation on the stochastic RSI, commodity channel index, almost the RSI, you can see here. And of course, we wanted to see if we can get even higher. For the time being, we had an extreme oversold situation. For now, we are looking forward to surpass 20-day and the 50-day MA. Although we did that back then, we had a correction going on. You can see we weren't strong enough to go even higher. We need a confirmation, further confirmation for the 50-day MA and the 20-day exponential moving average. Okay, let's go to Ethereum USDT. You can see here we have 3,770 Tether USD, 3,800, this area of resistance level. Okay, very important area right there for Ethereum. I believe we can manage to go there, we can manage to go into the targets, and from there we might have a minor correction. Once we approach this area right there, we will have a minor correction going on, not something significant. We can see some support levels as we talked about before. I think the first one should be around the 3,730. Okay, once we approach this area, and of course I will redraw a Fibonacci retracement, removing all the drawings right here, and I will draw from here to this area around there, 3,793, around this area. Okay, so you can see that we have some multiple support levels right here, for example 3,700, 3,650, and so on. So yeah, if we approach these targets, it is very possible to just correct a little bit, but nothing important. For me, we will keep getting higher lows and higher highs, and eventually we will be able to surpass the previous all-time high we had on the 4,000 Tether USD, 4,300 actually. This was the previous all-time high right here, 4,369, around there, USDT for Ethereum. And you can see that Bitcoin right now has a little bit of a risk. So I want to tell you this as well. Be careful a little bit for Bitcoin right now. It has a very significant risk right there, and you might find yourself into a little bit of a risk situation if we go down. Okay, if we go down right there, we might be losing some support levels for Ethereum as well. So if we go down for Bitcoin, then we will approach probably before we go down the 3,770 mark right there. And from there, that's why we are going to have a correction, because Bitcoin will correct as well a little bit. And therefore, that's why we will have a pullback, because Ethereum is very good against Bitcoin right now. And this is the only way to happen, is that we have a correction, significant correction right there for Bitcoin. Therefore, Ethereum will drop. Otherwise, if Bitcoin goes up all the way, then Ethereum will just go higher and higher to the next targets we have mentioned. Why not even higher to the 4,000 Tether USD area? You can see that the minus 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, the yellow line, is exactly at the previous high on 3rd September after drawing the Fibonacci retracement from this here right there to 3,800 Tether USD, around this area. Okay, so it is very possible that we just correct from here and we have a small correction going down. All right, especially if Bitcoin corrects. And before we close the video, join the monthly subscription, link in the description and in the comment section. You will get easy profits with an automated system and a manual system with bank and selling opportunities and many more benefits. Okay, and of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.